Safety is the big one. So being able to capture data in a way without putting people in the line of fire is huge. So not working at heights or in close proximity to to dangerous equipment. Speeding up the speed of data acquisition is another. So leading towards better and faster decision making by speeding up getting better data. My name's Jamie Hanson. I'm the principal advisor of remote sensing at Rio Tinto, one of the largest mining and metals company in the world. We have operations globally, mining key commodities like iron ore, copper, aluminium, lithium, and a whole host of other minerals and metals. Cybersecurity is a big issue for Rio Tinto. So using products that support things like single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, that's a big deal for us. For us, integration of software is critical. So for valid reasons, different people use different software for different things. So for something like DroneDeploy, being able to integrate with Esri and with some internal software that we've developed ourselves, that's a huge benefit. So we don't need to be copying and duplicating data. We can have a single point of truth, no matter where it is, but multiple software applications can ingest that. Being such a large organisation, whilst we have people working out on mine sites and in processing facilities, we also have a lot of technical support people who are not based on site. So being able to share data with any of those teams in the world to help collaboration, no matter where they are, so bringing the field or the processing plant into the office, wherever it is really, really valuable. Safety is the big one. Being able to capture data in a way without putting people in the line of fire is huge. So not working at heights or in close proximity to dangerous equipment. So safety is a big one. Calculating ROI in the dollar terms is really, really hard. But I think the return on investment can be measured by the enthusiasm that people have in using the software. So, in the case of DroneDeploy, it's got very sort of easy tools, for people to get started. They can share data easily, process easily. So just the fact that people want to keep using the software more and more is a good measure on the value of the software.